In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Workspace. If you're a business owner or someone responsible for setting up company emails, this guide is just for you. Let's dive right into the world of Google Workspace and learn how to get started seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to sign up for Google Workspace. Head over to the Google Workspace website and take a moment to explore the different plans available. Google offers various options, each designed to cater to different business needs and sizes. Make sure to evaluate these plans carefully to choose the one that fits your organization's requirements and budget. Once you've settled on the right plan, it's time to sign up and begin your journey with Google Workspace. Next up is an important step, verifying your domain. Google needs to ensure that you have rightful ownership of the domain you'll be using. This process typically involves adding a TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. It might sound a little technical, but don't worry. Your domain registrar, where you've purchased the domain, should provide detailed guidelines on accessing and modifying your DNS records. Once you've added the TXT record, it may take a few minutes for changes to propagate, but soon enough, Google will verify your ownership, granting you full access to your domain and workspace. With your domain successfully verified, it's time to create your email account. As part of your workspace setup, you can now establish professional email addresses. An example would be yourname@yourdomain.com. Take the opportunity to set up business emails for yourself and, if needed, for other team members. When setting up these email accounts, remember to configure strong passwords and consider setting up recovery options like phone numbers or secondary email addresses. These steps help ensure the security and accessibility of your accounts in case you need to recover access later. Now that your email account is up and running, let's move on to accessing Gmail. Simply navigate to the Gmail website and log in using your newly created business email address. You'll notice that Gmail within Google Workspace offers the familiar, user-friendly interface that millions of users love, now enriched with features tailored to business needs such as enhanced security and collaboration tools. Take some time to explore the array of features available and begin personalizing your email environment to maximize productivity. And there you have it, a complete guide to getting started with Google Workspace for your business. With your domain verified and email accounts set up, you're ready to explore all the collaborative tools and resources Google Workspace has to offer. With this robust platform, you can enhance communication, streamline your workflows, and take your business operations to the next level. So go ahead, log in, and get started today.